Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to put video inside text in CapCut for PC. Let's do it! Okay, first you have to drag and drop your background clip into the timeline. I got this beautiful one in pexels.com. Now let's go to the Media tab, let's click on Library, let's choose a black background and let's drag and drop it above the ocean clip. Now let's click on the black screen clip, let's go to the Speed tab, and here in Duration let's type the amount of seconds that we want it to last, like 30 seconds, to fit the background clip's duration as well. I will trim it a little bit. You can see that now we have only black video because the black clip is above the ocean clip. Okay, now let's go to the Text tab. Let's click on Default Text and drag and drop it here above the other two clips. Let's type maybe ocean. I will choose another font. I like this one, Honest Black. I will increase its size. Now I will select both text and black screen clips, clicking and dragging from outside. Now I'm seeing that both are selected. I will right click and I will choose Create Compound Clip. Now they are only one. Now I will click in this new clip and I will go to the Basic tab, and here in Blend I will choose Darken. And the effect is ready. Let's check it out. Beautiful. Yeah, but you can do this effect with a white background as well. Follow me. I will click in this clip. I will undo compound clip. I will delete the black screen. I will go to Media, Library, and now I will select the white screen. Click and drag between the text and the background. I'll go here in Speed. I will type 30 seconds. I'll go to the Text tab and I will choose a black color to the text. I will select them both, right click, Create Compound Clip, and I'll go to the Video tab and I will change the blend mode, not to darken but to screen mode. And the effect is ready. Let's check it out. Beautiful. And that's how you can put video inside a text in CapCut for PC. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel to get new videos every week. See ya!